This is my house. I am building by myself, but not success now. And this way, we come from this road to my house about 60 meters. And this is my wife and my daughter and my son. And my house not success, but we can live now. Go to inside. I'm building by myself. This is my computer. And this what I'm drinking. This relax room. And here is bedroom. Bedroom here. But not success. Because now don't have money to build it. I'm start building this house from January to now, but not success. And this is my motto. This out view. Brings me for go to kitchen. My house no big, very small. And this room is kitchen. This is the bedroom in the window. And now it's kitchen. Whoa! Now it's kitchen. Everything no success. This cement to build. This dog? My dog. And small chicken. Yeah, small chicken. Bring me go to the up view to see the view. This behind of my house. Wow. This is my shoe. I put my shoes here because I now just building on the top of the house. And now we go here to the top house. The top of my house. Wow. This build don't success. I just built today. Here is view of the front before come to my house. If you come to my house, you can see this view. Oh, that is forest. And that is sunshine. sun down that, and wow, this place don't has a house nearly my house, but this is school. This is school, primary school, preschool. This flag, this flag, this flag. Okay, that is school, preschool. Okay, now we go down. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is my daughter. Now she is three years and 6 months. This is my son. My son now is just 1 year, and this is my wife. Oh, my darling, I love you. Bring me to see behind the house. Wow, this scotty just was chicken. And here is I growed ginger. And why it is chili? This chili. This room is kitchen. If you come to my house, the first you can see is this view. Very beautiful.